Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about the computer mouse, one of the most important tools for using a computer. What is a mouse? A mouse is an input device. It helps us control the pointer on the screen and allow us to select, open and move items easily. Part of the mouse. The left button is used for selecting and clicking. The right button is for opening menus and options. The scroll wheel let us move up and down a page. The body is the part we hold in our hand, and the sensor at the bottom detects the movement. There are different types of mouse. We have a wired mouse which connects to the computer via a cable. We have a wireless mouse which uses Bluetooth. A wireless mouse makes use of Bluetooth, that is, it connects to your computer through the Bluetooth. So if your computer doesn't have a Bluetooth or enable on it, you will not be able to use a wireless mouse. Rather, you will use the one that has wire, so that you can directly plug it on the USB port of your computer. Then we also have the optical mouse. The optical mouse uses light to track movement, while the older mechanical mouse uses a ball. Now, let me explain what I mean by click, double click, and right click very well, so that we will understand it practically. Whenever you are being asked to click on your mouse, it simply means that you should left click. That is, you should press the left key once. Let's assume I want to close this particular software that I opened just now, or let me maximize it. If I clicked on this maximize once, that is, I press the left button once, that is what we mean by click. You can see I just click it once and it responds. That is what we mean by click. You press the left button once. Then what we mean by double click, let me dismiss it first. What we mean by double click is to press the left button twice, and that twice you press it immediately. You press it quickly. Assuming I want to open this same soft assuming I want to open this folder called Jubilee Church. If I click on it once, that is, if I press the left button once, it only highlights, it will not open it. But for me to open any folder, file, or application on my computer, I will have to double click, meaning I will press the left button twice, like this. You can see it now open because I did what? I double click. Double click simply means to press the left button twice quickly. Now, we also have what we mean by right click. Whenever you are asked to right click, it simply means on the folder or on the applications, once you click on, or once you press the right button once, it brings out menu options. This is what we mean by right click. To press the right button once and it will bring out menu option. In fact, we don't press the right button twice. It's only once we press it. So once you press the right button, it will bring out menu options. Probably you want to copy, you want to delete, or you want to rename the folder or file. So what you do is you right click, press the right button. Then we also have drag and drop. You can see the position of this folder I named Jubilee Church. If I want to drag and drop, what I do is that I click on it. Remember, to click simply means to press the left button once. If I click on it, I will not remove my hand from the left button. Rather, I will drag it. That is to move my mouse from the position it was. And I will take the mouse to wherever I want to place it. You can see I'm moving the folder around. So assuming I want to place it somewhere up, I can bring it here and leave it. You can see it has moved from the first position that it was to this particular place. I can still drag it Press the left button, hold it, then you move your mouse to any position you want. That's what we mean by drag and drop. That's what we mean by drag and drop. Let's try it again. The surface I'm putting my mouse is not that smooth. Drag and drop. You see that's dropped here. Okay, that's what we mean by drag and drop. Then when we talk of scrolling, scrolling is that when you are on a particular page, let me open Microsoft Word for example. You're on a particular page and you want to move the page up and down. Let's assume maybe you have something you typed earlier on the page. You have something written on the page and you want to move it so that you can see it. What you do is that you scroll by rolling the wheel. Once you roll the wheel that is at the center of the mouse, you see that the page is moving, is scrolling. So that's what we mean by scrolling. Caring for the mouse. Always keep the mouse on a flat surface or mouse pad. Clean it regularly. Handle it carefully, and if it's wireless, remember to change the batteries when weak. The mouse make it easier to use the computer. It increases speed, helps in browsing, gaming, and even designing. Great job. Now you know the parts, types, and function of a computer mouse. Practice clicking, dragging, and scrolling to improve your skill.